All parties Hurriyat conference has expressed grave concern over the deteriorating health of its illegally detained leaders and activists, calling for their immediate release. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas in a statement issued in Srinagar highlighting that the Hurriyat leaders and the activists have been imprisoned for years on the false charges in India and occupied Kashmir. Indian troops have launched massive cordon and search operations in the Poonch and the Rajouri district. The operations are being carried out jointly by the Indian military and the paramilitary forces at the Mori Top area of the Poonch district. Democratic Freedom Party led by the incarcerated senior Hurriyat leader Shabir Ahmad Shah has congratulated Pakistan on the successful hosting of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO conference and expressed optimism that this high-profile meeting would foster the regional peace, development and enhance cooperation among the member states. The DFP spokesperson Advocate Arshad Iqbal in a statement from Srinagar said that the successful SCO summit represents a significant diplomatic milestone for Pakistan. At least 12 personnel from the Indian paramilitary forces sustained injuries in a road accident in the Budgam district. The incident occurred today in the Pakharpura area when a vehicle carrying the Indian forces personnel veered off the road and fell into a deep gorge. Supreme Court of India has scheduled a hearing for the petition seeking the timely restoration of the statehood to occupied Kashmir. The application was submitted by Zahoor Ahmad Butt, an academic, and Khurshid Ahmad Malik, a socio-political activist from the occupied Kashmir. Indian lawmaker Kapil Sabil said that it was a constitutional felony to have reduced occupied Kashmir to Union territory and asserted that it was time to restore the statehood and Article 370. The lawmaker's remarks come a day after the National Conference leader Umar Abdullah took oath as the Chief Minister of the occupied Kashmir.